Hello, welcome back to Englinity. My name is Alex, and I'm really happy you are here today. This is day 6 of our 30-day English challenge. Every day, we learn English and slowly, step by step, with confidence. Today, we will talk about our daily routine. Daily routine means things we do every day. I feel calm when I talk about my routine because it is my life, simple and real. Today's key sentence is, I usually listen carefully. This sentence helps you. Talk about your life in easy English. Don't worry, we will go very slowly. We will repeat many times. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. You are doing great. Let's begin together. Now, let's understand the main sentence. Usually means most days. Not one day, not 2 days, but many days. For example, I usually wake up early. Listen again, slowly. I usually wake up early. This means I wake up early, almost every day. Inside my mind, I think, yeah, this is my habit. Habit means something you do often. Let's say the key sentence again. I usually, repeat after me, slowly. I usually, pause. Again. I usually, pause. Very good. You can use this sentence for morning, afternoon, evening, and night. It is a very useful sentence. Don't rush. Slow English is strong English. Now, let's talk about the morning. Morning is the start of the day. In the morning, I usually wake up early. Listen carefully, slowly. I usually wake up early. Wake up means open your eyes after sleep. Inside my mind, I think, okay, a new day starts. Let's practice together. I usually wake up early. Pause. Again, slowly. I usually wake up early. Pause. Very good. You can change the time. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Pause. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Pause. Say your time slowly. Pause. Good job. Talking about your morning is easy because you do it every day. After I wake up, I usually get ready. Get ready means prepare for the day. Inside my mind, I think, okay, let's start my day. First, I usually brush my teeth. Listen, slowly.
I usually brush my teeth.
Brush means clean. Then, I usually wash my face. Wash means clean with water. Let's practice together. I usually brush my teeth. Pause. I usually wash my face. Pause. Very good. You can say these sentences every morning. Simple words. Simple English. Strong English. Now, let's talk about breakfast time. After I get ready, I feel a little hungry. Inside my mind, I think, it's time to eat. In the morning, I usually eat breakfast. Listen carefully, slowly. I usually eat breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Let's say it together. I usually eat breakfast. Pause. Again, slowly. I usually eat breakfast. Pause. Very good. Sometimes I usually eat eggs. Listen. I usually eat eggs. Sometimes I usually eat bread. Bread is simple food. I also say I usually drink tea. Drink means take liquid. Let's practice slowly. I usually eat eggs. Pause. I usually eat bread. Pause. I usually drink tea. Pause. Inside my mind, I feel calm. I think, this is my routine. I do this every day. You can change the food. I usually eat rice. I usually drink milk. Say one sentence about your breakfast. Slowly. Pause. Excellent. Talking about food is easy because everyone eats. Now let's talk about the next part of the day. After breakfast, the day really starts. In my life, I usually go to work. Some people usually go to school. Both are correct. I say, I usually go to work. This sentence is simple but very useful. Go means move from one place to another. Work means the job you do. Inside my mind, I think, okay, it's time to start my day. I feel ready. Let's say the sentence again, slowly and clearly. I usually go to work. Some days I don't go to work. On those days, I usually study. I usually study English. Study means learn. When you study English, you listen, you read, and you speak. I like this sentence because it talks about habits. Habits are things we do again and again. You can change the sentence. I usually go to school. I usually study English. I usually work in the morning. Think about your life. What do you usually do after breakfast? Say one sentence about your routine. Say it slowly and with confidence. Talking about your daily routine helps people understand you. It also helps you practice real English. You are doing well. Slow learning is strong learning. Now let's talk about the afternoon. The afternoon is the middle of the day. After work or study, I usually feel a little tired. This is normal. Many people feel tired in the afternoon. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch. Lunch is the meal we eat in the afternoon. I say, I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock. This sentence is slow and clear. You can change the time. I usually have lunch at 2 o'clock. I usually have lunch at home. Inside my mind, I think, this is my break time. I can relax a little. After lunch, I usually rest. Rest means relax your body and mind. Sometimes I sit quietly. Sometimes I close my eyes for a few minutes. I usually rest after lunch. This is a very natural sentence. Many people use it. Some people do not rest. Some people work again. They can say, I usually work in the afternoon. I usually study in the afternoon. Think about your afternoon. What do you usually do? You can say one simple sentence. You do not need many words. Talking about your afternoon helps you describe your full day. Step by step, your English becomes stronger. You are doing well. Slow English helps your brain learn. Now, let's talk about the evening. The evening is the time. After the afternoon, when the day starts to slow down. In the evening, I usually come home. Come home means return to your house. I say, I usually come home in the evening. This sentence feels calm because home is a safe place. Inside my mind, I think, my work is finished. I can relax now. After I come home, I usually change my clothes. Change clothes means wear different clothes. Then, I usually sit down and take a deep breath. In the evening, I usually watch TV. Watch TV means look at the television. Sometimes, I usually listen to music. Music helps me relax. It makes me feel peaceful. I can say, I usually relax in the evening. Relax means rest your body and your mind. Think about your evening now. What do you usually do? Maybe you watch TV. Maybe you talk with your family. Maybe you use your phone. You can say one sentence, slowly, clearly. I usually watch out in the evening. This is your English. This is your life. You are learning very well. Slow speaking is good speaking. Now, let's talk about the night. Night is the end of the day. Everything becomes quiet. At night, I usually eat dinner. Dinner is the meal we eat at night. I say, I usually eat dinner with my family. This sentence feels warm. Family time is important. After dinner, I usually talk with my family. Talk means speak with people. Sometimes, I usually use my phone. Sometimes, I usually read a book. Reading helps me feel calm. It helps my mind slow down. Later at night, I usually get ready for bed. Get ready for bed means prepare to sleep. I usually brush my teeth again. I usually wash my face again. Then, I usually go to bed. Go to bed means lie down and sleep. Inside my mind, I think, today was a long day. Tomorrow is a new day. Think about your night routine now. What do you usually do before sleep? Say one simple sentence, slowly, clearly. You are doing great. Your English is growing, day by day. Now, let's look back at what we learned today. Today, we talked about our daily routine. We learned how to use one very useful sentence. This sentence helps you talk about your life. It helps people understand your day. Let's say some sentences together, slowly, calmly. I usually wake up early. I usually eat breakfast. I usually go to work. I usually have lunch. I usually relax in the evening. I usually go to bed at night. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. Now, it is your turn. Think about your day, from morning to night. Say one sentence at a time. Do not hurry. Do not worry about mistakes. When you speak, your English grows. Remember, one sentence every day is enough. This is day 6 of our 30-day English challenge. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Englinity. Your support helps me create more slow English lessons for you. Tomorrow, we will learn something new, step by step, together. Thank you for learning English with me. This is Alex from Englinity. Speak slowly, practice daily, and believe in yourself. See you tomorrow.